Hey y'all, we're out here at Orlando Speed World for the UF Drift Circuit Tandemonium. This is gonna be sick. We're gonna go check it out. Y'all stay tuned. So I'm out here and it's starting to rain. This is it's a good time. Let's watch these seating brackets. Alright, well, I don't know if you can hear this, but it is currently pouring down rain. You can probably see it on my window here. So we're on rain delay. There's lightning. How wet this is going to be afterwards and see how muddy it is. This is going to be crazy. If they can do this, I wonder if these cars, man, it's a bank track, so it might not be too wild. It may just, the water may just run down, but then if the water does kind of stick to it, it may make these cars real slidey, and that could be real interesting to watch. Some slower drifts would be pretty cool to see.
I say, hold up, cock my glizzy, bang, bang.